Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can tag someone on Facebook. It's pretty simple. So first thing is, once you open Facebook, at the top there's going to be what's on your mind. That's the page, or that's the setting through which you guys can create a post. Click on it, and over here you can click on this little icon if you want to add photo or video to your profile. But if you don't want to, you can just type over here. So I don't want to add any photo or video, I just want to simply tag someone on a post. So what I need to do is press this button called add. If I write add and I write somebody's name, it's going to show me their profile, and it's going to show up like this. I can click on any of the profile and they're going to be tagged just like this. Now I have tagged ABP News. Now I can write whatever I want. ABP News is a nice guy. Okay, I'm just going to write this. It's just a random post. If I click on next and if I click on post, then I just tagged ABP News on a post. So that's how we guys can tag someone on Facebook. And if you want to tag someone on story, you can just click on create story and create yourself a story first. So I will just create a random story, and over here I'm going to write text, and on text I'm going to write add again to tag someone, and I will tag New York page, and I will click on done. I will click on share. Now I just posted a story tagging New York magazine. That's how we guys can tag someone on Facebook. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.